I'm doing this again because I got bored.
Garcia House, we're bridging between the past and the present, and at the same time, bringing the technology of the house to the present day.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna sit down and do this. Here, wait, hold on. I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna try and set this up. Hold on. Let me try something. Okay. Hey guys, look what. Sorry I had to do this. It was just kind of hard videotaping, but I'm gonna try and get him to jump on top of the wall. Here, wait, hold on, guys. Okay, let me see how this looks. Here, wait, hold on, guys. I'm just trying to set this up so you guys can see. Here, wait. Wait, I'm gonna make it to where you, like, I'm gonna do it over here because last time it worked so well. Let me move this chair. Hold on, guys. I'm just setting it up so you guys can watch. Wait, hold on. Let me find it real quick. Hold on, guys. I need to lead Oliver over there. There you go. Okay. Oliver. Hold on, guys. He came back here. Just there we go. He did it. He did it. You old retard, the Oliver. Oh, sorry, sorry, Francis and Felix, I said that. Because I know you guys are probably going to watch this video and be like, oh no, he said a bad word. Oliver, why are you being such a lazy butt? Here, wait. I need to get him up on the ground. I turned it off, Felix.
She'll go, she'll do it.
He did it again. You old Oliver. He loves this thing. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Okay, Ken.
Guys, if you see something, wait, hold on. I want to see what that looks like. Hold on. Is that what you guys see? Because I was shining it at the camera. Like, is this what you see? Do you see this? Okay, sorry guys. I just want to see what it was like. Okay, Oliver, come get it. I'm trying to get him out of him.
You're back in. Woo!
Go get Oliver.
Oh, now cut for your camera.
Hold on, guys. Oliver, you big fatty, get out of there. He loves this thing. Here, I'll stand over here so you guys can see me. Oliver. Why do my cats love these things so much? Oliver. I'm gonna make it to try, see if he can't find it. Oh, Oliver, why are you being lazy? Hold on, I'm gonna go get Jasper. He's outside. Here, wait. I'll skip to the part where I get him. Got him in. Ready, guys? You guys like this, don't you? Oh my! You guys hear that? That's a dog. Jasper, what is that pose? I'm watching a try not to laugh challenge. You're doing this, so.
How dare you?
Oh. YMCA. You guys know that song where it's like, Kiki, do you love me? Say it. Wait, hold on. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry, I just wanted to do it again. It's pretty fun. Oliver, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Oh God, why is my quality so bad? Look at all the.
Daisy. Hi. Oh God.
Hold on, I'm gonna. What the is that puppy doing? What is that old dog doing? Doggy doo. Alright. Oh. Yes. What? Oh my God.
Where's the catnip?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna end it. Wait. Okay, goodbye, guys. Oliver, say goodbye. This is gonna be the end of the video. Ready? 3, 2, 1. See ya!